Idaho's Think, Make, Create labs are a wonderful, mobile, hands-on STEAM learning opportunity currently being developed for statewide educational access. The program was created by Beyond School Bells Network in Nebraska, and thanks to the professional network created and supported through our Idaho STEM ecosystem, within a matter of 4 months, what began as initial conversations moved into the pilot build stage. The license to replicate the program was purchased by Idaho Out of School Network and University of Idaho Extension 4-H. Together, along with partners from the STEM Action Center, Career and Technical Education, and Gizmo, the first pilot trailer is nearly complete. In September of 2020, the interior build-out on the first trailer was finished. Gizmo staff and volunteers, along with 4-H faculty, fitted, framed, and secured the mobile makerspace. The process began by securing a metal frame onto 2 sides of the utility trailer. As Gizmo had already cut the wood materials using their CNC router, the final steps were to sand, router when necessary, glue, build, fit, and secure the wood shelving into the metal frame. It was all hands on deck, as putting it together was like sorting a puzzle, but the finished product is fantastic. Shelving on one side provides a space for young makers to hold their creations safely. Other design features make it easy to store supplies and access them, all while creating a secure but mobile storage classroom. The pegboards, hooks, shelving, and moving wall provide lab users an opportunity to make each mobile makerspace their own. As with any pilot project, there were more tweaks to make and teachable moments to learn from, but the potential to add to the space is endless. Idaho Think, Make, Create labs will open opportunities and create access for any community in STEAM learning. The possibilities are endless. I'm Claire Sponseller with University of Idaho Extension 4-H. Our Idaho TMC leadership team looks forward to sharing more updates as this awesome program grows.